Alright folks, we're going to be setting up Minimax M3 inside Claude Code. You can actually use Anthropic's interface, but route the actual brain to Minimax M3. So we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to set this up. Alright, before we start, you only need two things to make this happen. Firstly, you need Node.js and npm installed on your machine. So for this video, we're going to be using VPS as an example. And the second thing you need is, of course, a Minimax API key. So we're using the coding plan API key. You can also use the pay-as-you-go API key as well. All right, the first step we're going to do is we're going to install Claude Code. We're going to use the China mirror for the faster installs and then grab the CLI globally. So we're going to have to copy this command, go to terminal here. All right, and once that's done, we can run the next line, the npm to install Claude Code. Bit of a disclaimer here. Anthropic is removing, they're sort of trying to remove npm installs completely. They want to push more towards the native install, but for now, this still works where you can install npm for Claude Code. Okay, so we've already added it. Now the next step we need to do is to clear conflicting variables. This is more so if on your VPS or on your machine, you have used Claude Code with Anthropic directly before. You're gonna have to unset your auth tokens and base URL to prevent routing conflicts. So in our case, I'm pretty sure we've removed it, but we can always make sure that it's gone. You can do that directly, or you can also check your bash RC and remove any exported Anthropic keys, because otherwise Claude Code will hit Anthropic's endpoint instead of Minimax. All right, the next step we're going to do is we're going to point Claude Code at Minimax. So we're going to have to go to our .claude.settings.json and add this block into there. So we're going to nano. And once you're in here, you want to copy that entire block. So in the official documentation, it would be here. So we can just copy that, paste that in there, and replace the Anthropic auth token with your Minimax API key. One thing to note, if you're from China, your base URL should be minimaxi.com/Anthropic. But for almost all of us, we go for the Minimax one. All right, so now you can run Claude, and it shows Minimax M3. See, just double checking, what model are you on? I'm a model version Minimax M3. We can even check /context and see it is Minimax M3. However, the token context window is 200K rather than 1 million, which is supposed to be Minimax M3's newest feature. But so far, based on the official documentation of Minimax, there's no section here that shows that the context window can be adjusted back to 1 million. But the steps we have followed is pointing Claude Code to Minimax. So that's that for now. I expect to see an update for this. I think it's not possible for now to edit in the config to change the context window, because this block right here is the only acceptable one to use. All right, so from here on out, you can just use it as you would in IDE. So one of the use cases for Minimax, what they're strong for, is their code review as well. So you can see audit the state and health of my Hermes agent. Look at .hermes and Claude directory. So you can Control O to expand to see in verbose. You can see the think blocks, which can be useful. I'd say it's definitely necessary too to have this on as you're using Minimax inside Claude Code to make the most out of your environment. And as you're reading here, if you don't have dangerously skip permission, make sure to always go back Control O for approving permissions. So yeah, there we go. And then we can always go back to Control O to see what's going on. All right, so we got the audit report here. Critical issue document drift between claude.md files. Yep, I intentionally left it there because I don't use Claude Code, but now since we can use Minimax M3 in Claude Code, I think this is definitely relevant. So I'm definitely going to have to follow up on that. But all in all, pretty good, not bad. Disk usage, okay. Uptime, okay. So if you're using Minimax M3, this is one of the first use cases you can do if you already get it set up, is to use it to audit your files. So since we have Hermes agent as well on this VPS, we can use Minimax to audit the state of our Hermes agent. It's a good habit to CD into a particular project and then run Claude, rather than doing what I just did just now, just going to the home directory and run Claude. And if you want more power, you can also use the Minimax Coding Plan MCP that has 2 extra tools: web search for live search during coding sessions, and understand image for vision analysis of screenshots and diagrams. You can add this using the Minimax Coding Plan MCP guide. It's optional, but if you're doing full stack work that involves looking at UI mockups or researching APIs mid-session, then it's definitely worth using this. Okay, so to recap, you're going to need to install Claude Code globally with NPM using the China mirror if you need speed. And then the second thing is you need to clean up any Anthropic env if you've used Claude Code before on your machine. And then the third is you're going to need to configure your .claude settings.json to point the Anthropic base URL and auth token at Minimax. So you don't need an Anthropic key, you just need your Minimax key for the auth token. And then you can just run Claude and work on your project. So I hope this video has found it helpful for you guys. Smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel to follow for more updates and guides. My name is Ron, Shana now!